For today, we're gonna make some tamarind ball with all the ingredients we have here. We have sugar, brown sugar, we have white sugar, we have some water, and we have the tamarind in the packet. So we're gonna release now the tamarind, like start to strip them and put in the container. We go like this, take off the trash, and take off the trash, you put it here, just like this. This is the original way, you know, because when I was a little kid and going to school, I used to eat tamarind ball. They sell it at the school gate, you know. Yeah, when you just take them from the tree, to be honest with you, there's a little bit sour. So that's why they always add sugar to them, you know, and get them round. That's why they call it tamarind ball, to move away that sour taste, you know. I know it from school days, to be honest with you. You can buy them in the market, you know. Like even in Port Antonio, if you go Kingston, you go to the big market in Jamaica, they call Coronation Market, you know. The people take them from the rural area, because they grow mostly in the countryside, you know, so they just pick them from the tree, and then they put them on the truck and bring them to the market, whether Kingston or Port Antonio, anywhere the market is. So you just go there and buy them, you know. One love, Rastafari, blessed. Pick it up. It's not a healthy snack. Maybe if you eat it just like this, pick it from the tree, I think it's healthy that way, like vitamin C. But once you're gonna make the ball and add in all these sugar and things like that, I think it's not so healthy. You're gonna end up maybe with diabetes if you continue eat it this way, you know. To be honest with you, I think that way. This way may be the best way. When you chew, you had the sugar with it, it give you a nice taste, you know, like a sweet taste, you know, to be honest with you, you know. And it's even nice if you smoke a and just rock on it, you know. It's nice that way, you know. Just relax smoking a suck a tamarind bar. It's nice that way. Keep you down cool, you know. So I grew up eating tamarind bar from I was a kid, just like I said before. Even when I go to school, the lady used to sell it at the school gate, you know, for a penny and halfpenny, you know. Long time ago. That is from I tell you about in the 70s. So I grew up eating tamarind ball. I used to even climb the tree and pick tamarind too when I was a kid. Cause I grew up in the countryside, rural area. Yeah, so I grew around tamarind, you know. Next step now, I'm gonna open the sugar and then pour it inside the tamarind like this. And then actually gonna knead it in, you know. You do it like this to make it come together, like close together, like you're making dough, you know, making flour, bread, similar style. Maybe you can add a little more. Got more sugar, it hold tighter, you know, and it move away that sour taste, you know, make it more sweet and nice. Look. So now we try to take the fat from the seed, you know, to get it together. But you know, it's gonna take a little bit more time, you know, by moving away the fat from the seed. So we'll see it come out. Yeah, right now I'm moving the seed away from the fat, and then I roll the fat together and then form the tamarind ball, okay? That's what we're doing right now. You're taking out the seed. Exactly what we're doing. Because my hand is so sticky with this tamarind, you know. My friend Indian gonna add some water, 1 tablespoon of water for me and it, you know.
Only one?
No, I think you could go again. Yeah, it's a little bit too wet, so I just add some more sugar to it, to get it more moist so that it can roll better. And now we're just taking off my finger. Slowly now becoming firm as soon as we add more sugar. Maybe I think we should add a little bit more now, okay? Just a little. And then stir it up. The tamarind mixture is ready, and now we're preparing the coating in the calabash, okay? So now we're gonna add this granulated sugar in the calabash, okay? Here we go. So now we're gonna form the ball, so we knead it a little bit more. Roll it in a little bit more. Yeah, now it's time to form some balls, and now I'm gonna coat them in the pocky, okay, with the white sugar, right? So now we move on to that level. I've just made it to the victory now with the tamarind ball. But now I need to try one, to be honest with you, and say it tastes. Super good. It remember me of my childhood growing up, man. Yes, it bring me right back there back. That's how we used to eat. When going to school and break time, we used to run to school gate, to this old lady and give her money, and she would give you a tamarind ball. And then you eat and run back to your class. But this one good. Nice. Maybe I should start to make them and go back and sell them to small shop, like make them in the day and put on my motorbike and ride around the village, even Port Antonio too, and sell them and make a little money. Yeah, maybe I get that idea now so I can move on and do that, in my spare time, because normally I do nothing in the day, so I'll just use my time making some tamarind ball. It's a little bit sweet and sour in between. It's mingled like a balance. Everything is so nice there. One love. Good tamarind, nice. Yeah, I love it. Nice.
About to try one of these famous Chucky tamarind balls. It looks awesome. Sweet, sour, like sweet and sour chicken, but without the chicken, you know what I mean? Very tasty. Good with some tea, water, a red stripe, just by itself. I love it. Awesome job, Chucky. Yeah, man.